Welcome class 6 students to the e-learning class of physics. So today in this video we are going to discuss the first chapter of physics, that is matter. And today's point of interest will be matter. We will understand what is matter, states of matter, and the change of states of matter. Fine. So before we start this chapter, let us understand what is matter. Well, matter is anything that occupies space and have some mass is called matter. So, example of it. In this universe, in this planet, whatever you see, you feel, you touch is made up of matter. Clear? Well, so we can conclude that the properties of matter are, it has mass, it occupies space. Clear? And remember, matter is made up of very tiniest particle called atoms. So the second point of matter is that it should be that it is made up of tiny invisible particle called atoms. Clear? Now, matter exists in this universe in major three states, that is solid, liquid, and gas. Clear? Now, solid can be this duster, the chalk, the book, the pencil. This all are an example of solid. Liquid, water, milk, example of liquid. And gas, carbon dioxide, oxygen. Clear? Well, now let us understand why solid are generally hard in nature, liquid have a good flowability, and gas also have a good flowability. Clear? Let us focus over here and let us understand why solids are generally hard in nature. Well, you can find the molecules over here. These all are the molecules of solid. Okay? And you can find over here that it is very closely packed. It is very closely packed. It is very closely packed. They don't have space between them to move. That's why it is generally hard in nature. Clear? Whereas liquid, as compared to solid, you can find there are some space between them. That's why liquid can flow. Clear? And for gas, you can find that the space between them are far apart. Clear? Fine. Let us come and understand the properties of solid. How can you say that it is solid? The major property should be, it should have a definite shape. You have this chalk, it has a definite shape, isn't it? Definite volume, it has some space, it is occupying some space in this planet, in this universe, so it has a definite volume. The molecules are tightly packed. You can find that molecules are very tightly packed. It is generally hard. Obviously the duster, these things are, this green board, this wall is generally hard in nature, so we call it a solid. And normally it does not flow. Solids never flow like water. Whereas liquid, the properties of liquid can be like this. It does not have any definite shape. Obviously, because say you have a bottle, or take a glass, assume a glass of water filled with water, okay, and you have any container, say a tiffin box. When you pour this water into your tiffin box, what will happen? The water will take the shape of your tiffin box. Clear? So basically, it does not have a definite shape. Rather, it takes the shape of the container in which you pour the water. Fine. So we can conclude that liquid do not have definite shape, have definite volume, because let's assume that in this glass you are having 1 liter of water. So when you pour this in any of the container, you poured it, it will also have a 1 liter of volume only, isn't it? It will not change. So it have a definite volume but no definite shape. Molecules are loosely packed. You can find over here with the diagram only that molecules, it has some space between them, so it can move. That's why it has a flowability. Clear? And they are normally not hard, they are soft. Clear? Gas. No definite shape, no definite volume. Molecules are far apart, not hard, and they can flow very easily. Clear? Because of their nature, arrangement of molecules. Understood? Now, let's move to our third point, that the change of state of matter. What will happen when you heat solid? What will happen when you heat liquid? Okay. Let's come to an example. That let's take a glass of water. If you heat, what will happen? It will vaporize. It will become a gaseous form. Clear? Now, let us assume that there is ice. If you heat the ice, what will happen? It transforms to liquid. Clear? Transform to liquid. Okay. So basically, what happens when you heat ice that is in solid form? It will transform to liquid form. That is your water. And when you heat water that is in liquid form, it will transform to gaseous form. Okay. So today in this video, let it be till here. Okay. In the next video, we'll discuss something more. Okay. So take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Thank you.